Alright, guys. Come here. Do you know what day it is? It's Easter. And it's time for our egg cut. Oh yeah, I'm gonna beat everyone. Like last year. I'm not so sure about that, Diesel. I never get any eggs. You will. You might this year. Meh, but I don't want you to get any. Because I'm mean. Like that. You know? Alright. Alright. So let's pick out some baskets. I'll take purple. Blue for me. Yellow is mellow. What does that mean? It just means I'll win. Okay. This is the biggest for the eggs, just like me. I guess I get the green one. It doesn't really make sense. Alright, guys, are you ready to start? No, not really. Yeah! Let's let the games begin. Where could this be? Wait a second. Maybe it's up here, but how do I get up there? Oh! 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 I'm too tired to do that. Wait. I have an idea. Oh. Ooh, Mario. There it is. I know. I'll just go through the door. Oh. I'll try again. Hey, mister, do you know where an orange egg would be? Why aren't you talking? Why aren't you talking? So, sir, oh, that was odd. Thank you, mister. After the 5th time, I don't. Hey, it's a secret tunnel. This will definitely take me to the top of the thing. I did it! Dang it. Wait a second. Wait a minute. Got one. I know just who can get me up there. Wait, where is he? Oh, he's over here. Mr. Turtle, sir. Hi, Diesel. Long time no see. There's a egg on the top of the castle over there. Oh, I see. Here you go. Thank you. Huh. It's gotta be around here somewhere. Wait a minute. Under the bench. Dang it. Got one, Gordon. Here you go. Found this one in a breeze, literally. I told you I was gonna win. Ooh, an egg. In the plant? I never like to go through grass, but... Oh my gosh, it paid off! Oh, I feel so bad for all these people who died. Oh! In memory of Isabel Murphy, dedicated 35 years to the line dance and exercise class. Interesting. Oh, thank you, good sir of the church. Thanks for the egg. I can't believe that statue gave me an egg. Ooh, an egg. This weird looking Pokemon tree. Ooh, a dead guy. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have said that. That was kind of mean, you know. Maybe there's an egg here. I mean, Nia got one. Weird looking statue. No eggs. How come Nia gets one from a dead guy? I take back all I said about you being nice and hardworking. I'm not sorry at all. I don't mean that. I'm sorry. It's on the other side of the pickleball court. I'm not Diesel. I'll go around. I feel like something might be up there. Oh, there is! How do I get up there? Oh, wait. I learned this in trash. Oh. The trash can. I know it's in here. Not there. There. Maybe over here. No. Oh, I see it. Ah! Oh, there it is. Told you. Ah, it's in the fountain. Oh God! Oh, I can't swim. Got it. Nope. There's gotta be one in here somewhere. Nope. Wait, I see it. There's an egg. Yes, yes. Oh, it's just a leaf. Gosh dang it. Oop, time's up. Calling all engines. And then I said, oh, yeah, I'm gonna get late and be late. I gotta get out of this mud. Whoa. Okay, Kana, put your eggs in. All right. 2 eggs. All right, Thomas, throw your eggs in. There you go. I'm here, Gordon. All right, throw your eggs in. Sorry I was late. I had to get the winning egg. Yeah, okay, Diesel. All right, all the eggs are set. It looks like it's a tie. Are you kidding? No. This can't be a tie. I always win. Not this time. Yeah, not this time. And Percy isn't even back. As far as we know, he could win. Thomas, you've got to be joking. Yeah, Thomas. Ah! An egg! No way. At least I found one. I found one. I can't grab it. Guys, I got an egg. Wait, what? Really? It must have been one from last year or something. No. I don't think so. I think you, Gordon, just miscounted. No, I didn't. Wait, let's just go see what the egg was. I'm curious. Oh my gosh. What? It's just an egg. No. This is not an egg. Well, it is, but I mean, it's an egg, but it's the golden egg. Oh my gosh, Percy, you won! What? How did I win? I thought you didn't I didn't lay the egg, but it's a myth. It just shows up every year, randomly. He didn't win. I still got the most. We all got the most, Diesel. Yeah. No. We didn't. I got the most. Are you kidding? Okay. I can't believe it. I actually won? Yeah! Should have been me.